can see the clouds are going very, very quick above us. So normally this area, La Laguna means the lagoon. Yeah. This area we have mountains, but when you go to La Laguna city, there is no mountains there, and it's known for the worst weather of all Tenerife. And this area here, Taganana and La Laguna, yeah, they are all from the same city. Taganana is a small neighborhood of La Laguna, yeah. And why is the worst weather here? Because normally we have a lot of clouds on the north of Tenerife. Yeah, a lot of many people relate Tenerife with a sunny day. That's true on the south, but the north is very, very cloudy. I'll explain why we have so many clouds. There is a reason for that, but there is a lot of cloud. Doesn't mean it's cold, yeah, or rainy, just clouds. And then all those clouds, they get stuck on the north side of Tenerife because the mountains are very, very high. Imagine we have the mountains of 12,000 feet. Yeah, 12,000 feet. So the clouds cannot cross the island, they get stuck. And here the mountains are not so high, and also La Laguna is a lagoon, so it's a natural pass for all those clouds that get squeezed. They get stuck, sorry, in the north. So what happened? The wind squeezed them through La Laguna, and that's why here normally it's a bit more cold, more. There is also more humidity, so that's why it's very green, yeah, and that's why it's considered the worst weather of Tenerife. Here they have agricultural system by terrace, yeah, because there is no flat surface here, so that's why they have those steps for the farming. What we produce here the most are potatoes, figus, almonds, and wine. And then at the sea level, they produce bananas. Yeah. Banana production is the big one. We even export that to the rest of Europe. But in this case, on these areas are mainly wine and potato. Yeah. On the restaurant that we are going to stop later on for the coffee break,